So now what's the next question? The next question is the one angle of it. The main thing is what is the shape of that particular geometry? It's a quadrilateral. Yes. So now we have to think about quadrilateral. So let me draw the quadrilateral of any shape. Okay. The quadrilateral of what? Any shape. So let us give this name P, Q, R, S. Okay. So what is the given? One angle of that quadrilateral is given. So let that angle be what? P. This is how much? 2 pi upon 5 radian. Okay. So what I will do when I will start solution, we will say in quadrilateral, I have given the name PQRS. Am I right? Major angle P is how much? 2 pi upon 5 radian. Okay. So I don't like radian because little bit is a little bit what we'll say. It's a new concept. So I prefer degrees. So what I will do, I will convert into what? Degree. 2 pi upon 5 multiply by 180 upon pi. Pi get cancelled. 5 3s are 15. 3 carry. Okay. 5 6. Am I right? 36 5s are. So 36 2s are 72 degree. Okay. Now understood, no? Abbas? Okay. Now what is the next info? Next info is what? The measures of other three are in the ratio 2:3:4. Okay. So since measure angle Q is to measure angle R is to measure angle S, the ratio is given, that is 2:3:what? 4. Am I right? So as I told you, whenever ratio comes, so you have to put one common statement.
Common multiple.
Let X be the common multiple factor. Therefore, measure angle Q, measure angle R, and measure angle XS, is how much? 2x degree, okay, 3x degree, and 4x degree. Now we will put a statement. We know bhale, malum now. Okay. What do we know? What is the statement about quadrilateral? Sum of angles. Sum of the angles of the sum of
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral is how much?
Quadrilateral.
Is
360.
yes, because some students are no, but it's a human error. They will by default no, we will say it's a human error. They will put 180 because too many sums we solve regarding one triangle, no, and one or two questions belong that particular of quadrilateral. So most of the students, little bit they will do the mistake. When I check the papers, no, of 11th standard, so we found they have written angles of a quadrilateral is, but since they practice about what triangle, no, they put 180 degree. Once they put 180 degree, it's a human error. So definitely from that step, the whole mathematical or whole numerical is what? Wrong. Okay. So I will say here, therefore measure angle P plus measure angle Q plus measure angle R plus measure angle S is equal to how much? 360. Am I right? So let me put a value. Measure angle P is how much it is? 72 degree. Measure angle Q 2x degree plus 3x degree plus what? 4x degree equals to what? 360 degree. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9x degree. And here 360 minus 72. 360 minus 72. How much it is? You just check. 360 degree minus 72 is what? 8. And 15 minus 8. 288. Am I right? Yes. 288. Degree. So what is x? X equal to 288 degree upon 9 degree. So 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So what is x equals to? 32 degree. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what you do? you find out angle Q. Now it is very easy to find out. Measure angle Q is how much? 2x, which is 2 multiplied by 32 degree, which is what? 64 degree. Okay. Then you find out in radian. Okay. Then you find out measure angle R, which is what? 3x. So 3 into 32 degree. Okay. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 96 degree. Am I right? Then you find in what?
Yeah.
Radian. The last one is what? Measure angle S. Okay. Which is 4x, which is 4 multiplied by 32. So which is what? 128 degree. Bro? So measure angle S you find out in radian. You understood? Say yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, please copy.